Okay, so now they have this home designer play mode. So I can use play mode to load the model that I created. I need to click play first. Okay. So after I click play, I got this screen over here. So I can select from here the model that I created. Okay, so now I have a problem. The model that I created went disappear. So I can't load. Previously it was here. And previously when they are here, I select and I click load, the house will not appear. Now that I open again, they went disappear. I don't know why. So now I got two issues. One is when the house is here, I click, it did not appear. Now the issue is the house is not even here. So I can't even look.